Hello everyone, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to change price color in Shopify. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to change the color of price in your Shopify online store without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, then these tutorials will be very helpful for you. So, let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store and you can see that here is the price of product and I wanted to change the color of product price. For example, I'm going to open this product. Looks here, the product price color is right now black. We wanted to change this color and there are different price, sales price and regular price. Okay, so to do this, first we are going to Shopify admin panel, open asset folder, open base.css file, scroll down. Okay, now you have to add a simple code in here. Here is the code. Looks very carefully. So I'm going to copy this code and paste this code in here, then click on the save. Okay, now go to my shop and reload. Wow, you can see that this color has been changed and it's look more professional and eye-catching than previous, and customer easily can define the difference between previous price and current price, and they will be more interested, more eager to purchase your product. Okay, now the question is that how you can use different color. You just copy this color code, go to Google, search this color code. Okay, now you can use any color from here as your requirement. Looks very carefully. For example, I wanted to use this color and click on the copy, then change the color. Okay, click on the save. Now reload again. Wow, it's working, but we need to use more professional color in here. Let me show you again. We're going to use this one. Okay, copy the color code and use this color in here, save, reload. Wow, looks good. Now the question is that how you will get this code. It's so easy and simple. You have to just join my membership, then you will get all the code fully free and you will get exclusive support, live support. Also you will get any Shopify related support from me. So join my membership and get the premium support always. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify SEO or WordPress, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.